Good morning everyone. Students, today we will continue with chapter number 7 and the name of the chapter is Simple Past and Present Perfect Tense. Students, in previous class you read about present perfect tense. So today I am going to teach you the simple past tense. Students, I have written the uses of simple past tense. Just see here. The simple past tense is used to express an action that took place in the past time. Simple past tense is used to express an action that took place in the past time. Okay? For example, the birds flew in the sky. The action took place in the past. The birds flew means the action will not take place in present time. It took place in past time. Okay? Students, helping verb. Helping verb is did. Students, the helping verb of simple past tense is did, and it is used in negative and interrogative sentence. The helping verb did is used in negative sentence and in interrogative sentences. When the sentence is assertive, when the sentence is affirmative, we never use did in affirmative sentence. Okay? Students, verb form in this tense is in affirmative. In affirmative sentence, we use main verb second form, and in negative and interrogative, we use main verb first form. When the sentence is affirmative, we use main verb second form, but we do not use did in affirmative. And when the sentence will be negative and interrogative, then we use did, and at that time we use main verb first form. It means when you will use did in negative and interrogative, at that time you will use main verb first form, and when the sentence will be assertive, when the sentence will be affirmative, then at that time you will never use did in affirmative and you will use the second form of the main verb. Okay? Students, now see the formation of assertive sentence. What is the structure of assertive sentence? Subject, then main verb second form, and then object. See the example. My father bought this car last week. My father bought this car last week. My father is subject and bought is main verb second form, and this car is object. Student, the sentence is assertive, that's why we will use the second form of the main verb. Okay? See the another example. We went to the zoo yesterday. We went to the zoo yesterday. We subject, then it is main verb second form, and then object, and then another word. So always keep this thing is in your mind, very important, that when the sentence is assertive, we never use did and we use main verb second form. Now see the formation of negative sentence. negative sentence, subject, then did, not, then main verb, first form, and then object. Students, when the sentence is negative, at that time we use did not and then main verb first form, not main verb second form. See the example. See the example. I did not meet him. I did not meet him last Monday. I did not meet him last Monday. Subject is I, did not, and meet, main verb first form. I did not meet him last Monday. Okay? Students, now see the formation of interrogative sentence. Did, then subject, then main verb first form, at last object. Second type, I have told you that when the sentence starts with question word, we write question word, then did, then subject, then main verb first form, and then object and question mark. See the example for your better understanding. Did they sell the house? Did they sell the house? Firstly we write did, then subject, they, then main verb first form sell, and at last object. And after object, students, the question mark is very compulsory at the last of the sentence. Without question mark, an interrogative sentence is incorrect. See the second one. When there will be any question word, then it will be written at first. After that, we will follow the first types sequence. Okay? How did the vase break? How did the vase break? How did the vase break? Here, student, it is question word. How did helping verb, subject, the vase, and main verb first form break. So when there will be any question word, you will write that question word first, then did, then subject, and then main verb first form, and then object. Student, in this tense, one exception is there. If the interrogative sentence starts with who, and the sentence is only interrogative, it is not interrogative negative, then with who we never use did. With who, did is not used, and when we will not use did, then we use main verb second form. See the example. Who broke this jug? Who broke this jug? So students, in this way, I have told you all the rules. I have told you the verb forms in affirmative, negative, interrogative. I have told you the helping verb also, how you will use the helping verbs. So write all these rules and revise it properly. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.